So we look for ways to try to answer questions before they're ever asked. It went up to 510,400. Wow. So 510,400 is now the new Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac conforming loan limit. Okay, it went up from 484 to 350. So basically what that means, sales prices have continuously rising, income has been going up from 17, 18, 19, because we've seen the increase steadily the last couple of years. There you go, 510,400. Now you know that VA will allow you to go above 510,400, right?
Yes, sir, for 25% of the balance above.
Absolutely. If let's say you're at 710,400, you have 710,400 minus 510,400, you have $200,000. You apply that times 25%, and that's the actual veteran's down payment. Okay, which is a lot less than what it would be if they were buying it on a jumbo loan with 20 or 25 or 30% down. Plus, they don't obviously have the monthly mortgage insurance, because you could do VA or loans higher than that with less money down. It's going to be $580 if you want to do 3.5% down, but if you'll put 10% down, you can go all the way down to $530. So this is just straight FHA. So $580 and above, 3.5% down.
How does that affect their interest rate?
Higher, yeah. I mean, because everything's based on interest rate. But if you're at $580 and higher, you can go 3.5. If you're $580 and lower, you can go all the way down to $530 as long as you'll put at least 10% down. Now, it's going to impact their interest rate, yes, but it's not like it's what we used to call as true subprime lending, where you're sitting at 4 points above prime. It's still in the fives, as it's which would be, I can do an FHA loan in the threes, but you start going down that low, then you're probably going to scale it up into the fives at that point. Okay. Depends on what we're having to do, right? It can happen immediately, or it could take a lot of time. It just depends on where they are. So when we pull a credit report, the things that we're going to look at is there anything in there, whether they're at a 540, a 580, or 700, right? We're going to look and say, wow, your balance is really high, right, to your credit, on your credit card. Your balance is really high. Why? Can you pay it down a little bit? If you could, then that could trigger a 40-point increase in score, and we can get that done within 3 days after you show me that the payment was made. Something as simple as that, okay? Or if it is a removal of a debt, removal of a collection or a paid account, that may take a little bit longer, but it could go as quickly as 3 days to 45, 60 days, or sometimes if we're really having to restructure credit, that could be 3, 6, 9, 12 months, right? Just depends on what we have to look at. But what's important for you guys to know is there are ways to actually change somebody's credit profile immediately, okay?